to the ITSM Practice Podcast.
Welcome to the ITSM Practice Podcast. I'm Luigi Ferri, and today we are exploring a challenge that visits every organization sooner or later: change. But here's the truth. Not all change leads to progress. The difference is how we manage the journey. Research shows that organizations with effective change practices are 7 times more likely to reach their goals. Yet many still rely on vague goals, disconnected messages, and reactive decisions. Today, I will walk you through 6 principles that make change successful, and I'll guide you through an exercise to assess how mature your team really is. Let's begin. First, anchor change in purpose. Change without purpose is noise. Every transformation needs a clear, measurable reason, whether it's to boost customer satisfaction, reduce risks, conquer a new market, or support a new strategy. If people don't know why the change matters, don't expect them to care how it's done. A strong purpose connects the dots between action and outcome. So ask, does your team know the why, or are they just checking boxes? Second, focus on individual transitions. Organizations change one person at a time. Change sticks when people adopt new behavior, not when policies change on paper. Support them. Follow the ADKAR model to guide them from awareness to reinforcement. Show personal benefits, not just team metrics. Recognize those who adapt early because habits spread. No one moves forward if they don't feel seen. Third, use structure but stay agile. A structured approach creates order, but change is rarely linear. The best organizations define roles, risks, and goals, but also leave room to listen and pivot. Design your framework with discipline. Deliver your change with humility. Because nothing undermines transformation like a rigid plan ignoring real feedback. 4. Lead with visibility and culture. Leaders can delegate beliefs. Executives must be visible champions, not just approvers. Middle managers must translate strategy into daily behaviors. Culture matters too. Don't fight it. Speak through it. If your culture values speed, don't introduce complexity. If it values freedom, avoid control-heavy systems. Lead through example, not pressure. Fifth, communicate with precision and empathy. Don't just talk more, talk better. Use multiple channels. Tailor the message to each audience. Address rational benefits and emotional concerns. If someone asks, what's in it for me? And you can't answer, you are not ready to roll out the change. Communication is connection. Without it, change creates confusion. Reinforce until it sticks. Don't declare victory at launch. Only 23% of employees are truly engaged. That means that most need reminders, recognition, and reinforcement long after the kickoff meeting. Celebrate wins, even small ones. Monitor adoption. Don't assume. Make the new way part of performance and recognition systems. Change is not a one-time event. It's a daily habit. Now, let's turn these principles into action. Grab a notebook or open a shared doc with your team and assess your maturity across the 6 principles. For each one, give yourself a score from 1 to 5. 1. We haven't started. 3. We are doing this sometimes with the mixed results. 5. This principle is embedded in everything we do. So, your maturity map. Start with this principle. Purpose anchoring. After, individual support. Structured plus adaptive approach. Leadership and cultural alignment. Precision communication. Reinforcement strategy. Now, ask. Where did you score below 3? What barriers are holding you back? What's one thing you can do this month to move just one level higher? This exercise is not about judgment, it's about clarity. And progress begins with honest reflection. Let's bring this to life. A company shifting to remote work didn't just roll out tools. They explained why the shift mattered for business sustainability, trained each department based on how they would work remotely, shared the progress data and real stories month after month. The result? Adoption, trust, and momentum. That's what change done right feels like. Change is not a checklist. Change is a commitment. These 6 principles are your compass, and the maturity exercise is your small mirror. Now, here's your challenge. Share the episode with your leadership team or change champions. Complete the assessment together. Choose one area to focus on and set a 30-day improvement goal. If you would like a talk to take this further or to compare maturity models, connect with me on LinkedIn. Let's move from theory to transformation together. Thanks for tuning into the ITSM Practice Podcast. Until next time, stay purposeful, stay adaptable, and remember, change succeeds when people believe in it. Arrivederci.